Hi everybody, today I just wanna unbox this product. This is a grounding mat and we wanna try it today. So this is what it comes inside, the cable and the mat. It's pretty soft. I thought that this was going to be like harder for sure, but it's like a kind of like a leather jacket texture and thickness, so it's nice. Then we have the cable and just the instruction pretty much. So what I am going to do is use it on my bed. And like here, a little more of the information if you want to read. So if you're planning to buy it and you want to use it on your bed, this is how it looks. My bed is a queen, so this is pretty big. I kind of like it, and as I mentioned before, yeah, like it has two sides. This one, I hope you can see it here. It's like a plastic. It's like I don't know. This is anti-slippery part, and then you have the soft and very silky. This is the cable, which one part you just have to put it there, and this is the other side, and then the other part it's going to be here. The cable is very long, so pretty much you can put it anywhere, so that is fantastic. I'm going to leave it there, and yeah, this is how it looks.